Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to add products to Shopify from Zendrop. First, go to the Shopify website and make sure you log it into your account. Then, from the left side menu, click on Add Apps. Now, click on the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, tap Zendrop and click on it when it appears. Next, click on the Install button. Then, click on Install again to confirm. Now, you'll see a screen to approve the subscription. Check the additional charge information and the terms. Choose how you want to pay for the charges. You can use a credit card or PayPal. Click on Add Credit Card and enter all your credit card details. Or if you're using PayPal, enter your email or mobile number linked to your PayPal account. Once payment info is added, Zendrop will connect with your Shopify store. Now, from the left menu, click on Products. Then, click on Import to begin adding products. Here, you'll be asked how you'd like to import products. You can use options like importing from AliExpress or using a product URL. Click on Next. Then, choose where you're importing data from and follow the steps shown. Once done, review the product details and click on Import to Store. That's it. Your products will now appear in your Shopify store. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. That being said, I'll see you in the next video.